Good morning, good morning, good morning. So, this is how I give my local chicken. You see, that is bread. There's sometime when we buy bread, when we have leftovers, like this one here, you see, I bring it for my chicken to eat. And even the rice, the leftovers, as you can see here, there is rice down and then there is bread. So that is the chicken. There are four female and one male. But most of the time it is the male that have to serve the female. I don't know what is that, but that is what it is. You see them? They are many, but they are like, how do I say, forgive my English. I have different types of chicken. They are all local but different, you know. So I don't mix them. Right now, as I'm irrigating the plants, I let this one to play outside for like 2 hours or 3 hours, and then later I will take them inside. That is their cage, the one I opened for this one. Okay, then later I will take them inside and then I open the second cage, the one you see with white one. Let me come close. Let me come close. This is the opened one. You see their egg inside? White eggs but big. You see? It's morning but they have eggs here. Then after that one, I will open this second cage. You see? This is the second cage. It also have local chicken, but this one is very small. I don't know from which country. We have different type of local chicken, but from different countries. You see. So I will open this one also to go outside and have something to eat. But also I give them the bread. You see bread inside? Yeah. So this is it. And then after that, I will again take them inside and then open this one. This one. You see this one? There are also many. You see them? These are 5 female and 1 male. Lot of follow me. These are laying blue eggs. You see their egg there? It is light blue. I don't want them to be mixed. You see? I will also let them to play outside so that they feel that feeling of being local, you know? So that they also lay the good eggs with yellow yolk. Then after I take those one inside and then open this. I have very different. These are only 4. And 2 of them already have chicks, you see. These 2 doesn't have. 1 have and another one is on eggs, you see there. I don't use incubator. I let them yellow their chicks, you see. Yeah, these are very big. Very, very big, but local. You see the chicks? Mashallah. So that is it. Yeah. This is for butterflies. I put butterflies in. And one thing I forgot to show you is the fan. Since UAE is hot now, we had to install those fans, you see, to help them have fresh air. This one was a warmer, the one I used in winter, this one. But now it is fan. We are using fans. The other one is light. Yeah. So that is it. No big deal. It is just like any other country. But the difference is here you have to either install fans in summer and warmers in winter. Yes. See how they play. They are eating bread, they are playing, eating grass, you see? See the men. Buli weewulira zinnewaazo nga zikokolima ensajja ewulira busuulu. Omanyi obusungu n'obukaawu buba buzirinnya.